Well, I'm at a fully owned auto parts place and I found this old custom cruiser station wagon. Fairly stripped. Motor's gone. Transmission's on the ground there. Looks like a Turbo 350. This car is pretty rusty too. Door don't want to open. Looks like most of the dash is still there. Seat's been recovered. Column's broke. I mean, somebody stole it. Rear seat's still there. Piece is gone back at the rear gate. Nothing in there. Door panels are so-so. Rear ones don't look too bad. I don't know, it's red. Too hot. Back seat. Still some kids' shoes in here. Fuel pump. Here's the cover for the gate. I don't know what they were doing. Like somebody broke the glass out of it. There's a piece of parts on it.